peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and today we are going to be unboxing and setting up my brand new iPhone 13 Pro, as well as some accessories that I got for it, of course. So I currently have an iPhone XS Max. The guy at the Apple store said that this was an old phone. I don't know. But I'm not really somebody who likes to change my phone every single year and upgrade to the new one, so I've had this for a little while and it's time to switch it up. Also, this phone is like massive because it's the Max, and so it just like doesn't fit in anything like purses and stuff, so it's really inconvenient. Did go to the Apple store closest to me to buy it, but they said they were out of stock, as they are with like most other things. So I ended up placing an order online for the phone, and then I also got a new laptop, which I'm really excited about. That's not here yet though. It's not gonna be here till like December. When I checked out with the phone, it gave me the option for same day delivery, even though it said it wasn't in stock within like 50 miles from me. I have no idea. And it was only like $9 more, so obviously I selected it. And then around like 8 o'clock at night, a man with an Apple bag came up and delivered me my phone. I really hope they did not make this poor guy drive over 50 miles to get me a phone. I don't know how it works. But I'm so grateful that they had that option. Otherwise I would have had to wait until like mid-December to get my phone shipped to me, which would have sucked. Also, my iPhone XS is starting to give out just in time for me to switch my phone. It's been freezing, it's been overheating, it's just been randomly shutting down. I don't know what's going on. But luckily I was already planning to switch to a new phone, so I wanted to share the whole process of switching my phone over and show you the accessories that I got and all that kind of stuff. I wanted to show it to you. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. Also, leave a comment down below of which color you think Apple should add to their iPhone colors. You know, there's like white, black, pink, and blue, I think. I want to know what color you think they should add, because I feel like they could make really cool colors. So what color would you want to see? Anyway. Also, if you like this video and you want to see more like this and from me, then feel free to subscribe. Anyways, let's get into unboxing and setting up my new iPhone. Okay, so here is my old phone and here's the new phone that I'm going to unbox. I got the white 13 Pro, not the Max one, just the regular one. And I also got a new wall box because I know that the plug for the charger is a little bit different. It's a USB-C instead of a USB, so I needed a new wall plug for the new charger. And I also got a new case from Casetify that I'm going to be putting on and unboxing after I set up my new phone. I actually did a poll on Instagram because I was deciding between 4 cases and I like could not decide. And so everybody on Instagram who voted helped me pick this case, so I'm really excited about it. And of course I got a screen protector. This is just from Amazon, and I don't know, it just looked like the easiest one to put on because it has this like thing to help you put it on. I don't know. But first, let's unbox and set up my new phone. I'm so excited. Also really like this new iPhone packaging because the white one was like so big and bulky, and this is just like so like sleek. I don't know. I already removed the things right here to open it because I was gonna open it and then I thought maybe I should do a video about it. So we're just gonna take the lid off and go for it. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's so pretty. Dude, this part around like the camera is like so elevated and like huge. So weird. I love this. It's like matte. I don't know. Okay, so there's the new charger. These are just like, oh, this is the thing to switch out the SIM card. I actually need this. This is important. Does anybody use these Apple stickers for anything? I feel like nobody does. So there's the charging cord in the box, obviously. I love that this isn't like plastic and it's like paper. I don't know if it is paper. I don't know if it's actually better for the environment. It seems like it is. I'm obsessed with like the edges real quick before I take the paper off, the most satisfying part. I'm obsessed with these like shiny edges. I guess if you have an iPhone 12, this isn't that much different, but from my phone, this is so much different. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, that was the most satisfying thing ever. Okay, I think I want to put my screen protector on before I set it up, just so I don't get like fingerprints all over it and stuff. That seems like a good move. Alright, let's find the instructions. Oh, I guess you have to go scan this. Okay, so first we have to clean it with the wet wipes and the microfiber cleaning cloth and dust removal stickers. First, let's use the wet wipe. And then we'll use the dry wipe. And then I guess we'll use this for something. And then let's see if there's any dust. It doesn't really look like it. Okay, I don't think we need the dust removal sticker. So this also comes in a pack of 2 in case I guess one of them break, because it is a glass screen protector. So that's really nice. So you have this little contraption. So this says top. I'm gonna guess it goes at the top. Step 1, we have to remove this side first, and the instructions say to pull down and not outwards because it can mess it up. So we're pulling down. It has all capital letters and everything. All right, so then place the tray over your phone. I feel like it's gonna fall out. So then you press and you slide your finger down like that. That was really satisfying. I don't know if you could see that, but the big air bubble just went like whoop. Remove the tray and it will lift the plastic. Oh my gosh, that was so perfect. I'm obsessed with this. It's hard to see. There's not a single air bubble. That was, oh my gosh. Stop, I'm so obsessed. That was amazing. Okay, and then it says you can just reinforce it by going along the edges. That was perfect. Okay, now that I got my screen protector on, which was very exciting, I am going to set up my new phone. But first I just want to show, look at how much smaller this phone is compared to my old one. I'm so excited to have a smaller phone. So to start setting it up, I'm not sure if I need to put the SIM card in first and then do like the transfer of everything, or if I do the transfer and then the SIM card, but I think I'm gonna switch my SIM card first. I don't know, I feel like switching the SIM card just like makes the most sense. Okay, am I doing something wrong? Why can't I open this? What the heck? Alright, let's try a paper clip. I feel like that key was too big for my phone for some reason. Oh my gosh, I cannot get it open. I'm panicking. Okay, it says a firm push. Maybe I'm not pushing hard enough. Oh. There we go. I did it. I did just have to push harder. And then we're gonna take this tray out. That was so much easier. And then we're just gonna switch them. Beautiful. All right, now let's turn this on. Hello. So now I'm gonna pick the language, where I live. Okay, and then we're gonna use quick start. So let's unlock this. And it already popped up on my phone too, that I want to use this, so continue. Oh, that looks so cool. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Like that? Am I doing it right? Oh, maybe face down. Oh, position the pattern in the circle, like this. I can't see if it's doing anything. I can't see if anything's happening. Oh. Duh. Okay, there we go. I did not understand what it meant. Okay, so now it wants me to put my password in. All right, it's activating. So we just have to wait. So now it wants me to set up Face ID. Get started. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Okay, so now I can choose to transfer from my iCloud or my phone. If I transfer from my phone, it's gonna be an hour 45 minutes, but if I transfer from my iCloud, it's gonna be about 15 minutes. So we'll just do my iCloud. Okay, now I just have to set up my Apple ID on here. All right, and it says make this your new iPhone. So I'm gonna press continue. Now it says about 3 minutes. Oh no, it's changing, just kidding. So I will check back in when this backup is complete. So it says there's about 5 minutes left, so we're gonna let that do its thing. And I'm going to open up the phone case that I got. I also hate that it's getting dark so early now because it's dark outside, so we have lighting issues. I'm obsessed with Casetify. They are a little bit more expensive than I would prefer to pay for a phone case, but I definitely think it's worth it for a few reasons. First of all, they have an insane amount of options. Like, it's exhausting almost looking at all of the options, but I just love having so many choices. I feel like there's something there for everybody, if not like 3 things there for everybody. And then something that I personally really love is that their cases are all made from recycled cases. This isn't sponsored or anything, I just really like Casetify. But then also, like, their packaging is eco-friendly. Like, it comes in like a little box, so it's all cardboard, which means it can all be composted. And just like the branding on the stuff is so cute. It says, hello, this box is made from plants, not plastics. Recycle me after opening. See, I love it. Then they give you like wipes to wipe down your phone, so it's nice and clean. My phone is brand new though, so it should be nice and clean. I also got a lens protector because I know the camera like protrudes a lot and people recommend getting a lens protector, so I just got one, but I got a clear one because I feel like the other ones are so noticeable with like the black rings around it. And then here's my case. I'm so excited. It's so cute. It says, your thoughts and feelings are creating your life. I love the clouds and the blue sky and just like the message. I love it. I feel like this phone case makes me so happy when I look at it. And so I was actually really happy when everybody on my Instagram, or the majority of people I guess, voted for this one because I was really excited about it. Honestly, this was the one that I wanted, but there were other ones that I liked as well. I think another reason why I liked this case more than the other ones I put in the poll was because I use a pop socket. I don't like holding my phone as is. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. So I have this pop socket that goes across the back and it can go right under there so that you can still read the words. Whereas the other ones had something like right where my pop socket would go, which was really inconvenient. But yeah, this is it. I'll put it on in a second. Let me finish setting up my phone because it's so cute. All right, I apologize for the shadows, but this just finished. It says finish on new phone. So, oh, it's not done. It says there's 16 minutes left, but what we can do is put our phone case on. So this is the lens protector that I got, and then it also comes with a microfiber cloth thing and 2 wipes. Oh, so then I guess it sticks on there. I didn't realize there was gonna be like something covering the camera, so I'm not sure if that's gonna like affect the camera quality. All right, and then we'll clean off the phone so we can put our case on. Even though it is so pretty without a case, it's just too dangerous for me. There we go. Oh, I love this case. And then we'll put my pop socket back on. The size of this phone is so much better. All right, so it's just finishing up. I will check back when it's all done. Okay, literally right when I turned the camera off, it finished. So now all of my apps are on here and I didn't have to do anything except for what I just showed you I did. Then I think I should be, but I'm gonna double check once it's finished loading. I'm gonna see if I am logged in on everything already. Oh, this phone looks so nice. So just looking at the camera, it also doesn't really look like the lens protector thing is messing up the quality at all. It was doing a weird focus thing, but all right, so my Instagram finished. Let's check that one. It does not look like I am logged in. And my Facebook, I'm also not logged in. My Twitter, I am also not logged in. It looks like I'm not logged in on anything. Which is unfortunate because I forget like all of my passwords. But yeah, it was nice getting to show you how I set up my new phone, or I guess figuring out how to set up my new phone with you. Unboxing iPhones is just like so satisfying, and then it was so fun unboxing my Casetify case as well. And also the process of putting the screen protector on was very satisfying. I loved it. I'll have the screen protectors linked down below if you want to go check them out, get them for yourself, whatever. But there's really nothing else to do except for wait for everything to finish installing on my new phone. So thank you all so much for coming along and setting up my new phone with me. I had a great time. I hope that you did too. I hope that you liked this video and you found it helpful. And if you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. Also, don't forget to comment what color you would want to see a new iPhone in. I don't know, for fun. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this and from me, then feel free to subscribe down below. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye! I literally cannot remember my Instagram password. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh.